Hello friends, hopefully you all will be fine. Today I got a new mining website where you can 200 TRX bonus on this website. After register on this website, you can see here you register and get 200 TRX welcome bonus on this website. Now I am going to show you how you can get these 200 TRX on this website. I will cover this website very deeply. You can see here you can mine Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron and Litecoin on this website. Now I am going to show you how you can sign up on this website without wasting any time. I will give you link in the description. You will click on it and you will reach here without wasting any time. You just need to put here your username, then you have to put your email and double click, enter your double password, then click on register now. I am going to log in on this website without wasting any time. Now log in on this website. It will take some time. Now you can see here, congratulations, you have received a bonus for registration on this website 200 TRX in the form of 200 TRX. Now I am going to claim it and you will see that you will take this bonus if you deposit on this website. This is a very bad opportunity for us. Now you will see here, if we invite, they have 3 referral level bonus. First our level and then second and then third. You will see that we have four cryptocurrencies sites: Bitcoin, Tron, Litecoin and Dogecoin. If you want to mine Bitcoin, Litecoin or Dogecoin, then you have to deposit on this website. Then you will start mining these 3 cryptocurrencies. If you want to start Tron mining, then it will give us 130 gigahash power. You will start this by click on red button. You can see here my mining is start on this website. Now I am going to show you how you can add your wallet address and how you can buy hash rate power on this website. Now going to wallet option, you will see here we have every wallet here. Deposit or withdraw on this website. You can see if you want to take withdraw, then you will have to select your wallet address, then enter your wallet address over here and then click amount, minimum amount they provide us to take our withdraw. Now how to deposit on this website? Click on deposit. Here you have to select your required wallet address, then you have see that you can deposit minimum 0.0003 BTC on this website. You can see here buy hash rate. As much as you hash rate, your mining will be very speedy. Buy Tron, buy Bitcoin, buy Litecoin, buy Dogecoin. If you want to buy a Litecoin, if you want to start mining in Litecoin, Bitcoin, then you have to deposit on this website, buy gigahash power, then your mining will start in Bitcoin. Now I am going to show you how you can increase your mining speed without deposit on this website. Then you go to here a referral system. You have to share this your referral button, referral link with your friends, with your family members, so that other people when then click on your link and join this website, you will get as a reward gigahash power. Now I am going to show you FAQ button. We have FAQ button where we can get every answer of our question. After some time they took us at FAQ option. Here you will see that how to start mining. Can I start mining without investment? What is cryptocurrencies? How much method we use to payment methods, and how much minimum we can take our withdraw deposit, minimum deposit and minimum withdrawal. You can withdraw Tron 550 Tron. When you mine 550 Tron, then you will take your withdraw on this website. If you have any query, if you have any question, then you have to click on online support. You have to deposit your question. They will give you answer as easily. Now I am going to show you everything in detail of this website. If you like my video, then give me a thumb button and provide me your valuable comments in the comment section. And please subscribe my channel if you want more video in future. I will bring more video for you how to start earning online without